Facing issues when streaming YouTube videos on your VLC media player? Worry not, this video will discuss some common troubleshoots to get back YouTube video streaming. But first, let's understand what the issue is. The popular media player, VLC, in addition to video playback, also allows users to stream online videos. This feature enables users to directly play online YouTube videos with VLC player, skipping the need of any internet browser. However, sometimes streaming YouTube videos are interrupted by a playback error. The issue can be the result of a bug in VLC or can occur due to an alteration in video playback setting. The issue can also be as simple as a low network bandwidth. Therefore, before applying the methods we will discuss in the video, we recommend you check and verify if adequate bandwidth is available for video streaming. Now, without further delay, let us jump to the solutions. Method 1. Update VLC media player. Regular software updates are crucial to remove common bugs and errors. One of the common reasons for YouTube videos failing to stream could be a pending update. To update your VLC media player, open the media player. In the toolbar, click Help and select Check for Updates. If any update is pending, download it immediately. Method 2. Choosing a different output mode for video playback. OpenGL is the default output mode for video playback. Selecting a different output mode like DirectX may solve your issue. To change the output in VLC player, open the Preference window with Ctrl+P. Click on the video from the top menu. From the drop-down menu of the output option, you must select DirectX video output mode. Finally, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Method 3. Increase file caching and network caching values. For a continuous video playback experience, VLC media player caches a small part of video. If VLC player fails to accumulate enough cache data, then it will result in YouTube videos failing errors. You can increase the file caching and network caching values to fix the problem. To do so, open VLC media player and press Ctrl+P to access the Preference section. Click on the Input Codecs tab from the top menu. At the bottom, change the Show Settings option from Simple to All. Now, click on Input Codecs listed on the left panel of the window. After that, scroll down the right panel of the window to find Advanced section. Under it, change the value for file caching to 2000 and network caching to 1500. Click Save and try to play the video again. However, if you are facing an issue with a video downloaded from YouTube, then maybe your video file is corrupt. You can repair the video quickly with a professional tool like Recoveryfix Video Repair. The powerful algorithms embedded in the tool help with deep scanning and repairing every data bit of the video. No matter how severe the damage is, the tool restores the video to its original quality without compromising the data integrity. The tool supports all video formats like MP4, MOV, MPEG, AVI, MKV, etc. It can fix videos recorded in any camera, such as Canon, Nikon, Olympus, Panasonic, etc. Moreover, the tool's functionality is not limited to just video repairing. It can even recover lost or deleted videos while retaining original quality and FPS. You can download the demo version of the tool and repair videos of up to 30 seconds for free. To know more about the software, visit the given link on your screen. Have a great day.